What's up guys, welcome to my channel, and in today's video we are going to talk about the iOS 14.5 on the iPhone 11 and should you install this firmware on your iPhone 11 or not. Let's get right in today's video without wasting any more time. My name is Jay and you are watching Tech Hype. So I'm using this device for around 3 days now on this firmware, and my experience on this firmware have been pretty much positives, and the only negative thing that I got on this device and on my iPhone 11 that I also talked about on one of my videos. And actually the thing is that the battery drain issue on the iPhone 11 and on the iPhone 12 on this firmware, the beta 8 of iOS 14.5 is actually kind of the most amount of battery drain we have ever got on this iOS 14.5 beta, except the beta 1 and 2. We have been getting almost the same amount of battery life on our devices after the iOS 14.5 beta 3 to iOS 14.5 beta 6, but after the beta 7 and the beta 8, iPhone 7 battery life have been a bit less. The screen time of iPhone 11 and 12 have been increased noticeably. Now talking about the performance of this device on this firmware is really good and it is really snappy too. Do not really worry about if you are already on a newer device and you are thinking about updating to beta. Do not really worry about performance as much as you do on the iPhone 7, suppose, because these devices are really powerful, and performance and in terms of stability too, the iPhone 11 and latest devices just do not show their age. I mean, they are almost 2 years old device, but still, thanks to Apple Pro A13 Bionic chipset and the optimizations, it still goes really good and strong on betas of iOS 14. Well, if you own an iPhone 11 and you are thinking about upgrading your iPhone 11 to iOS 14.5 beta, I would obviously say do not go ahead and update your device to betas if it is your primary device. But still, if you want to update your device to this beta, there are some things that you have to keep in mind. One is that you have to back up your data, because betas are it is stable, and Apple betas are usually one of the most stable betas on any OS. It is one of the most stable betas, but still, you do not have to risk your data, alright? So back up your data on iTunes and then update to this firmware. And in terms of any beta, just remember this. Whenever you are thinking about upgrading your device to betas of iOS, in general iOS, just back up your data before updating. My final verdict is, if you are already using the beta 7 on your iPhone 11, go ahead and do it, because this is a bit better update in terms of security, because it has the latest patch and latest security fixes. So go ahead and do it if you are already on beta. But if you are on betas and you are below like beta 5 or beta 6, do not really update to this beta, because as I said, on the beta 7 and the beta 8, the battery life the screen on time have been decreased a little bit. So that's it for today's episode. If this episode was helpful for you all, consider dropping a like and subscribe to this channel if you are new here. And peace out, and I'll meet you all in the very next episode. If you have any queries or doubt, feel free to DM me on Twitter @TechHype. I respond to pretty much everyone. So let's hang out on Twitter. Peace out, and I'll meet you on the very next episode.